Ever wonder how many different types of insects call the Moroccan desert their home? The answer might astound you. Despite the harsh, arid conditions, the Moroccan desert teems with a surprising array of insects, each more fascinating than the last. From the industrious dung beetles to the elusive sand termites, the desert is a treasure trove of insect biodiversity. Each species here has carved out its niche, exhibiting unique behaviors and adaptations that allow them to not just survive, but thrive in such a challenging environment. These tiny inhabitants have developed remarkable strategies to cope with the desert's extreme temperatures, scarce water, and limited food sources. Some burrow deep into the ground to escape the searing heat, while others have evolved to drink the dew that forms on their bodies during the cool nights. Indeed, the Moroccan desert is a bustling metropolis for insects, each with its unique adaptations to survive. But how do these tiny creatures manage to thrive in such harsh conditions, you may ask? Well, let's dive into the world of insect adaptation to find out. In the parched expanse of the Moroccan desert, insects have developed unique ways to conserve water. For instance, the desert beetle collects morning dew on its back, storing it for later use. It's a clever little trick that helps this insect stay hydrated even when water is scarce. And what about the scorching heat? Well, insects like the desert ant have developed a resistance to high temperatures. They can navigate using the sun, allowing them to find food in the barren landscape. Speaking of food, finding a meal in such a desolate environment can be quite a challenge. But these insects have evolved to be opportunistic, feeding on whatever they can find, from plant matter to other insects, and sometimes even carrion. These adaptations not only allow them to survive, but to thrive in the harsh desert environment. Now, you might be asking, why does it matter how many different types of insects live in the desert? It's a fair question, and the answer is quite fascinating. Insect diversity is crucial to the health and balance of the desert ecosystem. Insects, in their colorful variety, are the unsung heroes of pollination. They help desert plants reproduce, ensuring a continuous supply of food and shelter for other desert dwellers. But their role doesn't stop there. They also play a pivotal part in decomposition, breaking down organic matter into nutrients that enrich the desert soil. This process supports plant growth and, in turn, sustains the entire desert food chain. Moreover, insects themselves serve as a critical food source for a host of desert animals, from birds to reptiles and small mammals. So, while they may be tiny, insects are mighty. Their diversity is a testament to the complexity and resilience of life in the desert. Despite their small size, these insects play a huge role in the desert ecosystem. To sum it up, the Moroccan desert is a treasure trove of insect diversity. We've journeyed through a world of myriad species, each boasting unique adaptations to thrive in this harsh, arid landscape. We've seen how these tiny champions play a crucial role in maintaining the desert ecosystem. Next time you think of a desert, remember it's not just sand dunes and scorching sun, but a world teeming with life, especially if you look closely enough.